Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my DIY again for Valentine's Day. It's gonna be a hanging mailbox, and I got most of my my stuff from Dollar Tree, and I just found out that Dollar Tree is more cheaper than Dollarama. So let's get started. So guys, let's begin. What we need are a small size of the mailbox, and then the bags that we're gonna put the chocolate, and a wine glass. And this is what I did. I cut it like this, and the glue gun, the hot glue gun, and the glue dots. Okay, so of course our chocolates and our little monkey. So what I'm gonna do is put the paper shred inside in here and stick in here like this for me to put the mailbox. Okay, so it's gonna be like this, and the mailbox is gonna go in here just like this. Okay, so first we need to put a glue, hot glue in here all over, so the shredded paper will stick in here. Let's glue this together, like itong part na ito and this one, gonna glue them together para dumikit siya. Like this. Okay, so it's ready. Okay, last time I made mistake because I put this, yung itong corner na to, ginawa kong ganyan. So ang tendency, mas nandito siya sa labas. Okay, kita nyo, ayan no, nandito siya sa labas. But if I'll use this one and put it like this, you see, yung nandito siya, may space. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, but first let's glue them together. So next ang gagawin natin is stick natin itong mailbox here. Next, ang gagawin po natin is this little man is we're gonna put it in here. It's like it's pretending na buhat-buhat niya itong mailbox at tinatapon niya yung chocolate dito sa heart shape. Okay? So, put it in here. Let's use the glue, the hot glue, but you need to make sure to be careful kasi it's so. I'm gonna put it in here because it's pretending that he's carrying or dumping all the chocolates. So the other hand should go in here and this hand should go over here. Okay, right here on the other side. So, let's wait until na mag-dry out siya. So, the other foot will go in here. In this side, guys, so it's gonna go in here, and the next one should go. I might put it in here. Okay.
I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil.
We need to cover everything. Just to put the threaded one over here para neat tingnan. All the chocolates in here. Like that. These are all milk chocolate. Okay. So, one more bag. These are all heart shapes, guys. There. So, what we're gonna do, this I bought this at how you call that, in where, in Dollar Tree for $1.25. So guys, I'm gonna use the glue dots. Okay, and then this is the glue that it's a clear one, and just put it in here. I I made a mistake. I should have not touched it. Okay, so look at this one, guys. What you're gonna do, put one by one here.
Blue eyes, I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie.
So there you go, guys. My hanging mailbox. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today about hanging mailbox using all these chocolates. Okay, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, please comment down below. I'm gonna try my best to answer all your questions. So here's my DIY for Valentine's Day. It's a hanging mailbox with my chocolates and this little monkey. Okay, you can use any chocolates you want. Okay, so stay safe, God bless, and I love you. Always remember, nothing is permanent in life, so be good, do good, and stay good, because tomorrow is never a promise. Okay, bye. Mwah.